Well, you did hurt me though.
For what? How?
Told something from me.
What?
Hello, stranger.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you. Thank you.
For your information, I met her when I was with another stranger. So we couldn't talk back then, so we decided to exchange number and meet at Starbucks.
Oh, thank you so much.
Pleasure. You've never been on a date.
I had a boyfriend. So.
You had a boyfriend.
Yeah, I had a boyfriend.
Okay. Was that information or invitation? You look like a tiger. I mean, it's just your physique.
So physics is like a tiger.
Yeah, tiger.
I was very, very cold-hearted person.
I would like my girlfriend or my wife to be a very cold-hearted bitch. Hello, stranger.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Thank you. Thank you. What are we ordering? Oh yeah. So is it your first time meeting a stranger like that?
No.
No?
No,
You
it's
do?
not very, yeah, I've met so many good people, like this. Like I
have?
sit, yeah, cause I sit at Starbucks so much,
Okay.
like weekly at least twice I'm at Starbucks.
Okay.
So I keep meeting people there, then I keep meeting the people in
Wow.
like Bandra, two sides.
Yeah? So you like meeting new people?
Yeah.
Why is that? क्योंकि हमें तो बोला गया था कि अनजान लोगों से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए.
Okay, it's like I make sure it's a public place where I'm meeting, so
It's like what?
it's a public place where I'm meeting them.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
तो मुझे देख के क्या लगा था? Do I look like a serial killer? You suddenly said that let's meet at Starbucks after you. Yeah, I just hope I don't give you serial killer vibes.
No. The thing is,
Yeah.
I wanted to see. I haven't tried the reserve Starbucks.
The what?
I haven't tried the Starbucks reserve yet, so I want to try.
Okay. So why Starbucks? Why not any other cafe?
You can go to any other cafe.
No. I'm just asking why Starbucks?
I just wanted to try the reserve Starbucks reserve.
That's it?
Yeah.
I thought you were like a
What?
Gen Z Starbucks fan.
I am Starbucks person, but they discontinued my favorite drink at my
What was
place.
it?
Classic iced coffee.
Classic iced coffee.
Yeah, they discontinued it at my place. At least I think it's in June, but it's like on the
Yeah.
my place. It's
Wow. I thought we were talking about espresso martini. You don't know what espresso martini
I
is?
know, but I do
You
not.
do.
I do not consume alcohol.
No.
No, I
Oh yeah, because you are like under 18, right?
no, I'm. Because of my religion, I do not.
Because of your
Religion purposes.
what religion says no to alcohol?
Jain, I'm Jain.
Is it?
I'm Jain.
They add garlic in the espressos.
Not all the espressos. Not,
No.
not all the.
None of the espresso have garlic.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Wait a second, they do add the ginger, but I do.
Ginger, it's not actual ginger, it's just syrup.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, but syrup must be made from ginger, right?
No.
So it's not.
So I was in the UK and I was the marketing head for Starbucks. I used to do marketing for Starbucks. That's why I asked you why Starbucks.
Okay. I got it. Got your point.
Yeah. But to be honest, I'm not really a Starbucks fan.
Why?
I've had that a lot.
Who suggests you as Starbucks manager?
I'm a Starbucks. Well, do you like it milky or not really?
I like milky. I like
You like milky?
I like it.
Hot or cold? Wow, I just feel like I'm serving at Starbucks.
Actually, I'm not able to see, without my specs.
Do you need glasses?
Yeah, I need my
You wanna wear this?
Oh, are you recording from your classes? Oh god. Oh god.
I told you I'm a content creator.
Oh yeah, you did. Your glasses back to you.
You're arguing with the wrong person.
I do not argue only. I do not argue with anyone. It's like if someone says it's night right now, I'll say nice.
Why is that?
I do not like to argue.
No?
No, Yeah, there is no logic behind arguing with anyone ever. I find zero logic with arguing with anyone. Just
So what kind of a person are you? Are you like a people pleaser person, or you like to say what?
I just say but I do. I'm a very empathic person. I feel like I take care of the feelings of the person I'm in front of. If I say something hurtful or even as a joke, but what if that person gets hurt by me?
Well, you did hurt me though.
For what? How?
You stole something from me
What?
when I saw you back there.
Yeah.
Name
Mishi.
Mishi. So that's your name, Mishi.
No, my name is Mishra, but I just said.
Well, I like to call you stranger anyway. Hot, please.
Name for this?
Ayush. Yeah. So I was saying you stole something from me.
What?
You stole my attention.
I thought that it's gonna be a straight line or something.
She's gonna scan her points and then I'll pay through UPI.
I'll pay. It's fine for me.
You can pay tomorrow. What?
Tomorrow.
Good job, Mukesh.
I'll pay.
I mean,
I'll pay.
I usually don't see strangers the second time, but we'll see. Thank you. So, wanna grab a table? So, yeah. So, do you live by yourself? Do you live by yourself? Sorry, my accent is a bit.
I have.
What?
I have mixed.
Oh, roommate. So, you live by yourself? Let's go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Oh, thank you.
Why do I feel like you've never been on a date?
I had a boyfriend.
You have been on dates?
I had a boyfriend.
You had a boyfriend.
Yeah, I had a boyfriend.
Okay. Was that information or invitation? I cannot really get that.
No, it's just an
Information. Yeah. No, I was just making sure.
I've been on dates. I had a boyfriend, so obviously.
So why did you break up?
That's a long story.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a long story.
What? Okay, just for general knowledge, what made you like him in the first place?
All of them.
All of him.
Yeah,
As
all
in,
of them.
was he good looking or just good personality?
He was nice. He was the kindest man I ever know, and he still is the kindest man I ever know. I cannot believe how someone can be so kind and so pure, so innocent and everything. He's the kindest person I know.
Then if he was so kind,
Yeah.
who broke up? You or him?
I broke up.
Why is that? Was he from Gujarat?
Just a second, my dad. What?
Was he from Gujarat?
No, he's from Mumbai.
He's from Mumbai. And what happened?
It's his mom.
His mom. Different caste.
Same caste, same sub.
Yeah, we can try. In your hairs.
No, not on my head.
What's this haircut though?
Huh?
What is this haircut?
I went on to Pinterest and I found some, long layers and curtain bangs or something I found, and I just showed it to my stylist. Cut it.
A stylist.
So what else you want? Barber maybe.
On the scale of 1 to 10, where do you count yourself? If we are
Like a
talking
person?
about upper middle class.
I don't count myself anyway.
Why not? You just said stylish.
It's just a word which came out of my mouth.
Acha,
I'm so sorry.
I was like, you're totally giving me like Shania vibe.
No.
Are you not Shania? Yeah.
I was a materialistic somewhat.
You are what?
I was a materialistic person,
Acha.
but not now. No, not on my hair,
Okay,
please.
just put it somewhere.
So strange, I'm getting such new experience. I was literally forcing my friend to go instead of my place to Chawalgate, It's so
To
fun.
meet me. Oh.
No, not to meet you. I'm just to come here.
Well, see, God places everything at the right place. So that it was a sign that we met, right?
Oh yeah.
What were the chances? Because to be honest, I was with the other girl. I was really bored. Um, and I was like, I need someone. I don't want to say any words. But then I just saw you.
Yeah, well, I just told on the way to here, I just told one of my friends, like I met a total complete strangers, two strangers on road, and he was like, how? Like I just met them.
It is so fun, to just go
Yeah,
randomly and talk
exactly.
to strangers.
Yeah, that's the experience, that's the essence of life for me.
course.
Meeting new people, knowing their experience,
Of course.
it's like, for me, it's like essence of life.
How many times have you met a stranger like this and had random chit chat?
So there was this auntie I met at Starbucks. Her name is Kavita auntie. I love her. I literally love her. She has mentored me. She has her advices. OMG, it was life changing. Then I met this another guy. He's in probably New.
What was her life changing advice?
She was okay. She was so clear. She was like, first decide then what you wanna do. Okay, if you wanna achieve anything, then write it down that what you wanna achieve. Then daily take a one step towards it. Daily like just one minute change towards it. She was like, as if I wanna like lost my weight. Okay, for example. No, I did not fall out for me.
I'm just saying.
She said that for herself. Okay, so you know what she did? She wrote it like I wanna lose my weight, like as of like 3 kilo, 4 kilo,
Yeah.
and then she was like, she took like one step every day. She was like, I'm not gonna cut off, all of my sweets and diets and like completely get into the keto diet or something. No, she literally took one step a daily. She started exercising first for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and like that she was amazing.
So it's basically manifestation.
Yeah, actually manifestation and also like also in action. It's just not a manifestation. Okay, I personally believe that manifesting works very well, but you have to also take a step towards it. Take a action towards it.
What was the biggest manifestation you had?
That I wanted to get in. I wanted to go to Italy, and I'm going to Italy.
You've been to Italy?
I'm going to Italy.
You're going to Italy?
Yeah, I'm going to
Okay,
Italy.
okay, okay. I've been there. I love the place.
I'm going this September.
This September. Wow. How many countries have you been so far?
I've been to two Vietnam, and then I've been to Thai. They're very. I was with my mom.
You look like a tiger. I mean,
From which angle do I have this Thai features? I was very small when I went to Thai actually. It's like a kid.
it's just your physique.
So physics is like a Thai girl.
Yeah, tiger. Your physique is just like of a tiger. And it's a compliment.
Okay, thank you.
It's a compliment.
Thank you. I worked hard to maintain.
Yeah?
I used to like now I do not anymore, but I used to do Pilates, I used to do morning yogas and all that stuff.
Do you want to become like a model or go into fashion? No. What do you want to be?
Anyway, I wanna work in finance. I want to live. To be very honest.
Finance? You don't give me finance vibe at all.
Because you haven't seen me in this state, you did not have seen me in my another state. See, I'm sort of the person. I would change. I'm a chameleon. Like, I would change. Like the way I'm getting the vibe. If I'm receiving such vibe from anyone, I would like behave like that. Like I'm just that sort of person.
You are a very mysterious girl to me.
Really?
Yeah.
Tell me about yourself. Enough of me.
About me. Um, what do you wanna know?
Your experiences. Something I can learn from. Something cool shit you did.
A cool shit that I did
Something you gotta do it in your 20s.
in my 20s. Okay. How old do you think I am?
Maybe like you are 25, I think. 25 or 26. Am I right?
You're the first person to actually guess my age correctly.
See?
First person. No one could have ever. No one ever did.
I can.
So a cool shit that I did was I told my parents a week ago that I'm going to London for 4 years.
Oh god.
That was the coolest thing I did, like a week ago.
God, that's what was the reaction of your parents?
My mom was in shock. She was like, "You are not going anywhere. There's no chance that you're going to London.
Oh
Like,
god.
not happening." And my dad was like, "How did you fund it yourself? Like, where did you get the money from?" Because so I was a theater artist. I used to do short films. I used to work as an actor. Then I did a couple of web series. I gathered all the money. I saved all the money. Then I just applied for a college in London. I got selected.
For what? Which course?
Filmmaking.
Oh, nice.
So
Even I'm going to Italy for my studies.
for studies.
Yeah.
Are you going to study finance?
Yeah, obviously.
You're going to Italy. How can you study finance?
I love finance.
अरे नहीं यार मत कर.
So actually I'll tell you why finance, like why I'm like, into finance so much. I do
Yeah.
not look like a person who would be in finance, but I am deeply into finance. Why? Because my dad, ever since I was a two, my dad like loves stock market and stuff, and ever since I was two, I've seen every morning CNBC Bazaar. Every morning, breakfast, lunch, I have seen CNBC Bazaar.
You know how can you tell someone you're Gujarati without telling them you're Gujarati? That's how you can. Honestly, I've met so many Gujarati people. No one is into any creative stuff.
That sucks, to be very honest. It's not a good thing.
No, I mean, it's everyone's personal
We are very,
choice.
obviously that's a
Yeah.
personal choice, but you need to have a creative side too. I keep my creative side active. I like try my best to keep my creative side.
What's your creative side? Are you a good dancer?
I do not like to dance.
Singer? No.
I write sometimes.
What do you write?
Sometimes write. I just like random things, random stuff. I journal a lot in my diary.
Okay.
I write sometimes proses and poems and stuff.
Okay, I'm guessing you start writing poems during monsoon.
No.
Acha. I thought you were one of those, who start writing during monsoon.
Actually, I used to read like Sylvia Plath a lot.
Yeah.
So there is this one line from her book
Okay.
that as soon as rain season starts, like poems get poured out by the poets. It's like that. It was something like that, But yeah, I do not remember the exact sentence, but it was like as soon as rain starts, the poem pours out.
Of course, because the writer just comes out
Yeah.
during the monsoon.
I like to read during monsoons.
You like to what?
Read.
Read. Well, because in India we've seen so many romantic movies, and all the romantic movies either they start with monsoon, they start with rain, or they end with rain. Even if you see
There is
the
rain middle of somewhere.
Of course, because if you see the biggest romantic movie in India, what do you think is the best romantic movie made in India?
Jab we met. The rain dance.
Rain Dance.
The rain dance.
Rain Dance.
The rain dance.
I would have never guessed you like Jab We Met, because you're like what in your 20, right?
Yeah.
And
Why?
yeah, you don't look like a classic girl.
I'm a huge classic girl.
Yeah.
I have never read it, Agatha Christie or that Colleen Hoover stuff. I've never read that. You know what I read? I read Virginia Woolf and Sylvia Plath and Franz Kafka sometimes. And I remember when I was when there was a COVID, and during that, I have read philosophies, like the thick books of philosophies, like Plato and like all that shit.
Wow. I remember my COVID time. I was just a very messed up person during COVID.
Why?
Really messed up. It's just because I'm a person who cannot sit at home. I like to travel every single day.
Oh God.
I cannot stay at one place. The very funny story. I've changed my college 5 times in 5 years.
Can you do that?
Yep.
Is it possible?
So in 11th standard, I was in some college in Vashi. Then I switched for 12th. Then first year I switched again. And do you know Vidyalankar? So it's a very popular college in Vadala. It's very popular for creative field. I was there. Then I got selected for a theater performance. It was like a very huge performance. So I dropped my college year. I went there. I came back. I did my first year again, and then I again switched it to Ruya College, which is in Dadar.
Oh God.
I've seen like 5 colleges. I cannot stay at one place.
You are like an aeroplane. You know, some people like I know the squad. Like some people like they do not like the beginning or they do not like the ending. They like to be like an aeroplane. You know, like middle of somewhere. You are like that
me.
sort of guy. Middle of somewhere. Always middle of somewhere.
That's me. I'm a person ki I it's either if I'm waiting for something, right? That waiting is really hard for me. If, for example, if I'm waiting for my visa, that waiting will be hard for me. If the visa says yes, I'll be happy. If it says no, I'll still be happy. But the waiting part, that's
Very impatient person.
yeah, yeah. I like to have quick decisions because I feel life is too short.
Yeah, that's true. Life is too short.
I hope you're not nervous.
I'm not.
Yeah.
I have this habit. I just this habit that no matter what I'm doing, I have this habit. That's bad habit. I know my dad used to like nag for it so much.
Yeah.
It's like cause in Gujarat, you know, like back in Gujarat, when people say that someone will die if I am doing this.
Well, I'm just glad you're not really overweight because you can easily bring bhukam by just doing that.
I have this habit.
So you're a romantic person.
You can say yes and you can say no, both.
Why is that?
I do not like people do not consider me a romantic person at all. I was like very nonchalant until I met my first boyfriend. I was cold as cock. Like I was very cold-hearted person. But then I met him, so like I changed, you know, a little bit. Not like he made me change or something. I just changed.
Well, to be honest, I would like my girlfriend or my wife to be a very cold-hearted bitch.
Why that?
I mean, she should be nice to me, not for the world. And even
You are finding for a black cat sort of partner.
I'm that kind of man. Because if I'm with someone, everyone else will see a very different version of me.
I
Like
get
I'm
you.
not gonna open up. If it was not for the content now, I'm a very different person on and off camera.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Strange.
So if I want to tell someone, Mishi,
You forgot my name. Wow. Amazing.
can I just call you Mishti? That's like a name, a sweet in Bengal.
शक्कर वाला दही मिष्टी दोही
Is
पता
it?
है
So if I want to tell anyone if I want to introduce anyone to Mishi without actually, just by telling that she is this kind of Bollywood actress, what would that be?
I didn't.
For example, if I want to tell, I met a girl, her name is Mishti, and the character is just like Geet from Jab We Met.
Wow.
So, what character are you? If you're talking about movies,
I do not watch much of Bollywood.
Hollywood, can I give you something?
Yeah, you can.
Black Widow.
Seriously? What
I
resemblance?
mean, I'll like her. She's cool. Black Widow,
You know
and
that
she's a
was.
cold-hearted bitch.
Yeah, she is.
You were saying something.
Like you know, there is this character where like I do not exactly remember the name, but everyone says that I resemble her so much. Like she's a dying bride or something. You know, like she's a bride with a skeleton bride, and they get married. You know that animated movie?
Yeah.
Yeah, from that. Everyone tells me like that I resemble her a lot.
The Nun.
No, not that. I'm saying bride.
Oh yeah, the Nun cannot be a bride.
Yeah. Maybe I'll find if I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
find.
go.
And what's your dream in life?
My thing, I do not like to decide what I want to do and what I do not want to do. I'll tell you.
And we were just talking about manifestation.
See, Cox Spider, I remember her name now. Like, even text me like I remember her daughter.
There's no way I could have known that movie. There's like no way.
Why? It's a very famous. Okay, maybe because you are not Zen.
I'm not really a Cinderella fan. Cinderella
That
fan.
she's not Cinderella.
I know, but she's like
What?
I don't believe in Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. No, I'm just kidding. But why I say that? Do you know Sakshi from Leighton? Don't tell me you don't watch Leighton.
I do not watch Lock Up. I do not watch Big Boss, Splitsvilla. Not for me.
You're
I'm
not
not.
a woman.
I'm not that sort of person.
Do you wanna see a very short reel of Leighton, and you'll become a fan?
I've seen Latent.
You know Leighton. Okay.
It comes on my spotlight.
Acha.
I do not use Insta, so not
Snapchat.
Snapchat.
Okay. Snapchat. To hide, to be hidden from your family.
No.
Like your family is on Instagram, no? That what I used to do. So when they introduced Facebook, everyone, all my family members, they were on Facebook. So I couldn't post anything. That's when I started using Instagram. No family member.
No, I do not like Instagram.
Of a generation gap.
You cannot say generation gap. And I get love Instagram.
Even I'm from your generation. I'm Gen Z.
What 26?
When did Gen Z start?
I guess 2006.
Gen Z? No, that's Alpha.
Oh, then I'm Alpha. I'm 2006.
You should. Oh my god, I just hope people don't comment. Pedophile.
I don't know, but I'm 20. I'm in like 10, 26. I'm 20.
2006. Then you're 19.
I'm 20.
Show me your ID.
Wait a second.
Yeah. And your credit card.
You can see.
So I'm like, I have glasses, so
Yeah. I'm not gonna let you see my fucking photo.
I'm gonna not see you from tomorrow. We're gonna go back to being strangers.
I came from club and I took that picture.
Okay, guys.
No. You know, like मैं 9 बजे तक क्लब पे थी and then मेरी मम्मी like सुबह मेरे को बोलती है कि तू आधार कार्ड करवाने नहीं गई तो मैं बस देख लेना. I was like आधार कार्ड करवाने तो जाना ही पड़ेगा. मम्मी को तो बोल नहीं सकती कि 3 बजे तक तो पार्टी कर रही थी आपकी बेटी.
Okay, मम्मी जी अगर अभी आप देख रहे हो यार आपकी हिंदी it's so different.
Why?
You were giving me Shania vibes till now when we were talking in English, but now when I heard you speaking Hindi,
तो गुजराती एक्सेंट आ जाता है ना. I know.
and I used to think Gujaratis are sweet people. Is it true कि तुम you add sugar in your dal?
What?
Is it true that you add sugar in your dal?
Of course, we add gul in our gul. So gul. Yeah.
Good, like gay. You add gay in your dal.
No.
I'm just kidding.
Good,
Even we call it good.
Good.
We call it good.
We add that in dal. I do not like dal without it. And curry without it. It sucks.
Dal, kadhi. What spicy food do you eat?
None.
None.
I do not. I have zero spice tolerance. पानी पूरी में भी तीखा पानी बहुत कम डलवाती हूँ और मोस्टली मीठा पानी होता है.
Well, the masala matters.
I like chatpata, but
Yeah.
not tikha.
Yeah. There was a very famous meme that was like really viral. Where do the chatpata masala comes from?
Where?
You have no idea. I don't want to tell you then. Okay.
असली मसाले सच सच MDH MDH
What's your favorite cartoon?
Shin Chan. My mom tells me that because of that I am a bad influence. Because of,
You are.
I do the bad influence with my little cousins also. They are like 5 and 6, and I make them watch Shin Chan. What's your?
It's been such a long time. I haven't watched cartoons. I like anime though.
I started watching One Piece because my boyfriend forced me into it.
Ex-boyfriend.
Ex-boyfriend, yeah.
What did you start watching?
One Piece.
One Piece. Have you watched any other animes? Nah. I love anime. I've watched
I'm
many.
not anime person at all, but due to the force, like so much force,
Yeah.
I started watching One Piece.
Such a nice weather. Such nice coffee.
Nice.
I just needed a good partner.
Am I not a good company?
I didn't say company.
Man,
I said partner.
but you are in content creator. You must be meeting so many people there.
I do.
So
So,
find yourself someone.
oh, like that. I travel a lot,
So what?
and
Long distance relationship are the best.
have you been into one? No, I don't think so.
I think so.
Yeah, no, for me, right now, it's just like, as you thought, he must be meeting so many people, so many girls. Everyone thinks the same.
Because you are in such field.
But I don't mind that, because I love what I do. I don't mind.
As long as you love what you do.
Yeah. I mean, meeting beautiful people, it's always a yes.
But I love meeting new people, like listening to them, hearing their stories. I love it.
Have anyone ever used a pickup line on you or a compliment? Many? Yeah. What was the best pickup line you've ever heard?
Oh God,
The best pickup line.
it was from my ex
Okay.
because I do
How
not.
many exes were there? I'm not judging you. I'm just.
Yeah, it's fine. I only had one anyway. So he sent me, "I love you" in 100 different languages.
भाई साहब कुछ ज्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी
He wrote it on paper and sent it to me. Then he also made like 2 whole love letters.
Okay.
So not a pickup line. It's just a whole another level.
Has any stranger like approached you?
Yeah, many.
Yeah. Did they use like compliments or pickup lines?
They compliment. Oh, I saw you and I just thought like you are so cute. Can we like meet and something like that.
Yeah.
Blah blah.
Would you like to hear a pickup line? Do you want filtered or unfiltered?
Anything is fine.
Anything is fine. Okay. We'll start with the basic one, okay? And very normal one. Give me a hand. I'm not gonna read your palms
Okay.
like this. Where did you get that?
What?
That pretty smile.
I don't. So
Then what was the best lesson of your life?
that sometimes something you want the most and you do not get it, it's for your own good. Even though you do not feel like that at the moment, but it's really, really for your own good. Like it's God protecting you from that.
Are we talking about your boyfriend?
गजब बेइज्जती है